Naturals commercial bakeware is made of pure aluminum which will never rust for a lifetime of durability. For sweet or savory baking, from cookies to sheet pan dinners, this is the pan you'll reach for. Extra large capacity pan holds more food than a standard sheet, allowing you to bake more in each batch. Foods bake and brown evenly due to aluminum's superior heat conductivity. Reinforced encapsulated steel rim prevents warping and adds strength. Compatible with parchment paper or silicone baking mats if desired. Easy cleanup, hand wash recommended. Pan exterior dimensions 21 by 15 by 1 inches and inner dimension L 19.50 W 13.50 H 1 inches. Proudly made in the USA by Nordic Ware. Make mega batches of cookies and bars with this extra large sheet pan. Fits all standard size ovens. 35% larger surface than the half sheet. Our commercial duty Naturals Bakeware is made of even heating, rust-proof aluminum and features a galvanized steel reinforcement around the rims for added strength. Bakers agree that aluminum bakes best. Hand wash cleaning only. Made in the USA. Nylon, wood, or silicone utensils are recommended. Metal utensils and scouring pads may scratch natural aluminum pans, but will not affect baking performance. Top reviews from the United States. Great baking sheet. I ordered the Nordic Ware big sheet last night, it was delivered this morning, I seasoned it this afternoon, and I roasted a variety of vegetables for dinner. The baking sheet performed brilliantly. It didn't warp or buckle at any point, even after 40 minutes in the oven at 425 degrees. The vegetables cooked evenly and came off the sheet with no sticking. The sheet washed up quickly and is currently drying in the drainer. It's light but sturdy. I liked it so much that I ordered a second one a few minutes ago. Very happy with this purchase.